Sphere Finance is an auto-staking protocol similar to Titano, but with some differences that make it really interesting. In this video, we will review the project as a whole and why it may be better than Titano Finance for some investors. Let's get into it. Sphere Finance is an auto-staking protocol launched in the Polygon Network in March. It offers 99,000 yearly APY or 1.9% daily interest. It shares most functionalities with Titano Finance. As Titano does, Sphere gives rebases every 30 minutes to your wallet. It also has entry and exit fees, but slightly different from the ones of Titano. There is a 13% entry fee and 18% exit fee plus a 2% fee of tokens that will be burned. The goal of the protocol is, as they explain in their documentation, to bring benefits and value to Sphere token holders through governance tokens acquisitions. The taxes applied to every transaction create a price floor for every user that is holding the Sphere token. The taxes are being used to invest into yield opportunities, OTC deals, and so on, while another big factor are governance tokens. We aim to black hole governance tokens into our treasury and use the prowess that we amass over various protocols to yield the biggest benefits to our holders. Let's see what they do with those taxes. The investing treasury captures 3% of all buys and 5% of all sales, and these funds will be used to fund cross-chain endeavors, fund governance acquisitions like Qui, Curve, Convex, Degen Plays, VC funding and OTC purchases, and also to fund the development of the protocol and marketing campaigns. These funds also go to the Sphere My liquidity pool, which is supported by 5% for both sell and buy taxes to ensure enough liquidity to reduce volatility of the price. And the remaining money coming from the taxes go to the risk-free value treasury, basically functioning as a hedge against the volatility of the market, and receives 5% of purchase taxes and 10% of the remaining sales taxes. At the moment, Sphere Finance has a market cap of over 50 million, having more than 10,000 holders and a treasury balance of over $9 million. About the smart contract is also being audited by Certik. We don't have the final results yet because the auditing process just started, but we can see that the sentiment is really good and that the security score is in a good range. So why did I say that this project may be a better option than Titano Finance? That's because this project has something different from Titano. The developing team has been KYC by the Obsidian Council, but the team is not fully public. This new method of KYC works this way. The project does a full KYC with a private company like Obsidian Council. They ask for a lot of personal information, like identity documents, proof of identity, and an extensive interview. Then, the Obsidian Council verifies that the project is KYC, and if they scam in any way or perform a rug pull, the Obsidian Council will reveal the identities of the team members, making them accountable for their acts. This gives huge trust in the project team, because scamming their community and investors would be like shooting themselves in the foot, as they can be prosecuted in case they decide to run away with the money. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more to the point crypto content, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.